In this video, we're going to be looking at a better way to write the if statement. So, a shorter and better way to write the if-else statement is to use a switch statement. Let us look at some example. The program below asks the user to enter a number between 4 and 9 and then displays the number that was entered to the user. So we would create an integer called number, then printf. I'm supposed to use the nslog. Printf is a C, is what we use in C instead of the nslog, so don't worry about that. That was a mistake. So enter a number between 4 and 9, then scanf, as I showed you in a previous video, just to get the keyboard input and assign it to the variable that we declared number. Then we use a switch statement to check, which perform a check on the number. If the case is 4, that means in case the number is 4, then you enter the number 4, then a break. In case the number is 5, case 5. That means case is the variable that you're checking, so you're checking if what the user's type is 5, then it will display this message. So depending on what the user type into the console, then the different messages will be shown to the user. What you have to pay attention to is this word break here. If you don't include this word break, the execution will jump to the next line. So for example, if the person has typed 4 and this message is displayed, you enter the number 4. If you don't put this break, it's going to also jump to the next one. We might actually it was going to print this next one. So you need to put break after your case statement in a switch statement. And finally, what I have to show you is the default. So after you've tried to capture every possibility, you have to put a default. You don't have to. It's not necessary, but it's always it's recommended, so that you can use this one to catch any errors. So if the person has not entered number between 4 and 9, then you use this to catch it. You say you enter a number that isn't within the range, then you also have to put a break. The above code is more cleaner and more easy to understand than the if-else statement. I make so much spelling mistake. So let's actually look at an example in so I have let's clean this up, between 4 and 9. So I've asked the user here to enter a number between 4 and 9, and let's make it easier. Let's say 4 and 7, because I've only written code up to 7. Between 4 and 7, and assign whatever the value that the person enters to x. So then I'm checking the value of x in a switch statement. In case 4, so you enter number 4, you entered 5, 6, 7, and if the person enter any number that is not between 4 and 7, they will get the default result. So let's try that. So let's run our program. Enter a number between 4 and 7. I'm gonna enter 5, and it said you entered 5. Let's run our program again. Enter number 4 and 7. Let's enter 4. So you entered 4. Let's run our program again. Let's put 7. We say you enter 7. Now let's run our program again. Let's put 8, and say you did not enter a number between 4 and 7. Let's run our program again. Let's put -3. Still get you did not enter the value between 4 and 7. Fine. So now let's do an experiment. Let's remove this break statement and then run our program. So what we do is we enter 4, and as you can see, because there's no break statement, it print 4 and then you say 5. So always remember to put the break statement, just to show you what errors you get if you don't put the break statement. I hope this has given you more confidence about writing your own program, because with the little that you should be able to write a nice program. I think in the next 2 videos I'm actually going to do 5 examples of a real life application. So look forward to these videos, and I'll see you then.